You will lose your first wager.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is about Mercy and Adekunle. Last night Mercy and Adekunle had issues. Because Mercy wanted them to start work and on the wager and as soon as possible. So she went in. She has been standing in the garden. They've not only her, but she and some other person that have been standing outside the garden, and they were waiting for Adekunle to just give them orders so they can start work as soon as possible. But Adekunle seems not to be ready. He seems to be tired, and he was even trying to explain to her that they should leave the work till tomorrow. But Mercy was telling. So Mercy seems to be all active. She just wants to work. She wants to be the cool girl. She wants to be the calm girl in the house. So she wanted them to work so they won't lose their wager. So while they were still arguing about the issue, Mercy told Adekunle, "You will lose your first wager, because I promise you, and I will not come out again," says Mercy. But even Adekunle was trying to explain to the remaining housemates in the room, because some of them were outside in the garden and they seems to be tired. So that was why Mercy was so angry. But Adekunle was trying to explain to her that every other person was tired from all the tasks they've been engaged with since morning, that they should just wait till tomorrow. So Adekunle said he has spoken with Alex, who is a TV producer. So he has spoken with the TV producer, which is Alex, and he told Alex about it, and he told her so that they can put some things together for them to work on tomorrow. But while some of them were still gathered in the garden, Mercy got angry and she walked out and said she was going to bed already, that nobody should just disturb her. So this led to Adekunle having to address the whole house regarding the issue. And he said he understands Mercy's point of view by not wanting to lose wager. But then everyone seems to be tired and they just need to rest. We should just send it to the morning. But even with all the issues and all that, this morning we can see that the both of them had apologized to each other. They hugged each other, and Mercy tried to apologize to him, and I can see they finally made up and they are no longer fighting. That is love leads, and I love the fact that they respected each other. Thank you guys for watching. I remain your girl Classic Ola. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for more, to get notifications for more of my videos. Thank you guys.